Okay,
We're back.
We are back, better than ever.
The one and only
Telford. So we're here at Telford 10K, the annual meetup of the best of the best.
Some would say it's the biggest race of the year.
But there's about 20 minutes until my wave.
Yeah, Ryan's in a new wave this year, wave 1.
Never gone in wave 1 before, but
where the elites are.
gonna be interesting. Normally I'm just straight in wave 2. The only bad thing is, mine and Hayley's waves times, they're an hour and a half apart, so it's going to be a nice morning filled with 10k running.
Yeah.
Okay, well the goals for me, anything PB. My PB is up here, so it's 33.53. In my head I'm thinking around 33.30, but that is about a 3:20 per K, so...
But that's based on that 8 miler, isn't it?
That's based on the 5 mile race I did a few weeks ago, so... Perfect conditions, feels about 8 degrees, not too windy, but getting worryingly close to the start now because I've actually got to run it. But what do you want, Hayley?
A PB would be nice. Here is still my PB from last year, so that was 46.40. And there's a 45-minute pacer, so I kind of want them to be in my sights.
Hayley's going for it.
But I don't think I'll stick. But yeah, that'd be a good motivation.
And one major thing we need to mention is the channel has just hit 1k subscribers. So thank you to every single person that has pressed that button, and for anyone else out there who has not pressed it,
join in.
Get down there and press Hayley's face.
Wow.
But yeah, it does mean the world to us, so pretty exciting stuff. I know quite a lot of YouTubers here today, so anyone I can think of that's here, there they all are. So go and check them all out because I'm sure they'll be posting a video on it. Let's get on that warm up and then get ready to start. Trying out the new gel. Giving it a whirl. Yeah, I like mine now. Yeah. Hey!
That's a day 5, baby!
Nice. What time? 34:46. Jesus. Okay, so we just completed Telford 10K 2024. So, what are your impressions and thoughts?
Yeah, again, a quick course. Definitely speed. It was cool watching wave 1 as well. I've never like watched the full thing for that.
Crazy. I think I'll put the time up there. That's the winner.
A course record.
I will put our times on our faces and wait for it. Who got PBs? Both of us.
Wow.
So both PB'd. Hayley PB'd by about 32 seconds.
Yeah.
And I PB'd by about 7. So if it was a competition on who beat who, Hayley beat
The
me.
margins are different.
32-second gain.
Yeah.
But
Can't complain.
yeah, I was definitely struggling second half. But yeah, Hayley was chasing the elusive 45.
Yeah, they were always in my sights-ish. I think I started a little too far back, but actually I went out too quick, so maybe.
You look pretty chilled.
Good, yeah.
Hayley was smiling. But yeah, just heading on our way back now. And then, yeah, next week we are, I can't remember the name, I'll put the name of the race here. Holvington.
I've never been there before.
Never been there. Just was like, why not? Let's just drive an hour and a half. So that'll be our next voyage.
And that's the start of Christmas. That's a present
Yeah.
from here.
So that is Hayley's Christmas present from me. A nice 10-mile race. So who wouldn't want that as a Christmas present? But yeah, the aim will be top 10 Kenneth Runners Hall of Fame. Should get on it, but it depends because it's advertised as a fancy dress race. But I'm not going to be in fancy dress, of course. Well, I'm going to be dressed up as a runner, so that's going to be my fancy dress. But yeah, as always, Telford has been amazing.
Yeah, and we saw lots of other YouTubers.
Lots of YouTube fans.
So yeah, great to meet you guys.
We've got Winged Into pacing It's on Andy next week at Arrow Valley Parkrun for 19:30. So Hayley's going to enjoy running that pace with us. Now we need to try and find Hayley's abandoned jumper.
Ryan left me for dead at the start. So.
I left her for the good filming location. But
good job I took my gel.
I will also put the pacing we did for me and Hayley. Definitely suffered both of us in the second half, but we both PB'd, so maybe it's a way.
I bank time I always bank time on this one and then it massively comes back.
We can't negative split to save our life, so it's what it is. Hayley's got it! Kelly's going to be happy you got to get the merch. But yeah, from us at Raley, we will see you at Holvington, or whatever it's called. Bye! On to our next adventure.